so glad to have you.
AP Biology is a second-year biology course where we go more in depth into the topics that we covered sophomore year. We also spend some time doing more lab work, more in-depth lab work, and work on analyzing data and really getting into what the concepts are. There should have been 4 of them. Is it not? I love teaching this class because I love helping people develop their love for not just biology but science. But one thing to keep in mind is that this is a lot of work. It is considered a college level class and you can earn college credit for it after your test in AP Biology. So please take it if you are truly interested in biology and willing to work really hard. Thanks.
Well, Oscar, I'm here to tell you a little bit about astronomy. It incorporates a lot of the different sciences and a lot of different maths. We do some Algebra 2 stuff. We do some chemistry. We do a little bit of geometry. We take a look at the stars. We take a look at the planets. Take a look at extraterrestrial life and the possibility thereof. So it's an interesting class. It's taught pretty fast-paced. With a lot of reflection on what we've done and where we're headed. Much like the expanse of our universe.
So this is Project Lead the Way. Our first engineering class is Intro Engineering Design. Next year, if you happen to choose Intro Engineering Design, we'll be taking a lot of classes about where you're working in groups. You do a lot of group projects where you're solving real-world problems. There's a lot of hands-on activities. We get to do a ton with the computers. We do a lot with computer-aided design. And through that, we also start getting into work with Excel and Google Sheets. There's presentations frequently. There's just a lot of group work, working with the computers, and learning about what engineers really do in the real world and getting to practice some of that.
And the intro of engineering design, which is the first year of the engineering pathway, we work a lot with groups and get to know other people and how to solve problems with other people. And it's very creative. You have to learn how to build and use a lot of computers.
Yeah, so we do a lot with CAD, which is on the computers. So we'll get a certain design we're supposed to make or come up with our own design. So we made a puzzle cube on CAD, designing on a computer. And we also did a project with a hamster cage where we had to make our own parts. We also do design challenges where we'll get a list of supplies that we'll be given and what we're supposed to make, and then we have to combine those and use those supplies and nothing else to make our final product.
So we're really trying to connect this to the real world and seeing how we can solve real world problems like engineers do. So we're taking what we learn in our math classes and bringing them into this class and using them with our projects and our design challenges. And we're really just trying to connect the way that we learn math and the way that we learn our engineering and how we can use those in the real world.